Today we see some balls, my brother presses a button, and there are some trains. Good morning. We are on our way to our first stop for today, which is a fireworks museum. So we have 77 kilometers to drive, and then we see some fireworks. And we arrived at our first stop, the Nagaoka Hanabi Museum. Hanabi is fireworks, and this area is famous for quite big fireworks. So let's have a look around. So we went into the museum, and it has a 35-minute fireworks light show. Quite nice, quite interesting. So you have, it cost only 600 yen, so not that cheap, not that expensive, and yeah, nice to see. Downside on it is the lights triggered again migraine, so fuck me, I guess this vacancy. Well, I get some painkillers, and then we continue the day. So we made it to Niitsu and the Niitsu Railway Museum. Let's have a look around. The museum is a nice destination near Niigata. The city itself is a railway city or self-contained railway city, and you can spend some time here and finding stuff out about the railway system of Niigata and the city around.